I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting everything required so your request is processed without delay. Start by naming the exact public authority and department. This directs your application. Then state precisely what you need: dates, file numbers, or officer names, because ambiguity causes refusals. Attach a photocopy of your ID and affix the required fee, such as a 10 rupee stamp or prescribed amount. Once done, write your contact phone and address clearly so the authority can respond or seek clarifications. Now draft the body of the application with clarity and purpose. You should write short, direct questions asking for specific records rather than explanations or opinions, because officers release information, not interpretations. If you have file numbers or prior letters, cite them to speed retrieval. State you want certified copies and how you prefer delivery, post, email, or in-person collection, and include a deadline expectation. This reduces back and forth and makes the officer's task straightforward. Finally, submit the application and track it proactively. Deliver it to the public information officer or send by registered post so you have proof of delivery. Make sure you note the submission date. Keep any receipt or acknowledgement and count statutory days for a reply. Once the period lapses or you receive an unsatisfactory answer, file the first appeal with the designated appellate authority. If that fails, escalate to the Central Information Commission. This step preserves your rights and forces review.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.